Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Ensure SIM2 is provisioned and shows signal bars. Once done, disable airplane mode and perform a full reboot to force a fresh registration with the network. Make sure the phone's carrier settings and APN for SIM2 match the operator's values. Incorrect APN can block services even if data works. If prompted, accept any carrier updates. These steps clear caching issues and let you move into targeted call routing fixes. Next, dive into dual SIM call routing. Set SIM2 specifically for calls or toggle its preference off then on to reset priorities. Make sure VoLTE is enabled for the operator on SIM2 because some networks restrict emergency dialing without it. Verify network type, LTE/3G and roaming options. Mismatch can force emergencies only. If routing conflicts remain, reset network settings to clear saved operator choices. Then reselect SIMs to rebuild proper registration and voice capabilities. Finally, test by placing a regular call and an emergency call to confirm behavior. If problems persist, swap SIM2 into a different unlocked phone to determine whether the issue is the SIM or your device. Make note of EMA and SIM IXID. Carriers can reprovision or clear operator blocks if given those. If you still see emergency only, request a network reset or local tower refresh from the carrier. Troubleshooting tip: keep a log of times and signal levels to speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.